Turkey's top defense industry organization has begun collaborating with UK-based Rolls-Royce on engines to power the country's national combat aircraft, MMU, within the TAI-F-X program. In a television program on CNN, Turk İsmail Demir, head of the presidency of the defense sector, SSB, commented on the progress on the MMU, the long-awaited project of the national defense sector. The TAI-F-X MMU, which is a fifth-generation aircraft with similar characteristics to Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning yacht, is being developed by the domestic defense industry with Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, as the prime contractor, explaining that there is an alternative engine option in addition to the F-110 engine to be supplied by the United States, Demir noted. We also have the possibility of working with Rolls-Royce for the engine.
Biz de bu Kızıl Elma yolculuğunda hep beraber başarıya ulaşacağız. İnşallah Türkiye 100 yılını hep beraber inşa edeceğiz.
TAI TF-X design and features. The fifth-generation aircraft will integrate a stealth fuselage made of advanced carbon composites. Its aerodynamic design will further enhance the high-speed abilities of the aircraft. It is primarily designed to serve air-to-air combat requirements. Its sleek design and unique features will enable it to be used for air-to-surface roles too. The 19 meters long aircraft will have a wingspan of 12 meters and wing area of 60 square meters. Its maximum takeoff weight, MTO will be 27,215 kilograms. The aircraft will offer high degree of situational awareness, advanced weapon systems, sensor fusion techniques, and low observability. Interoperable capability with other fighter jets, such as the F-35A, will make it suitable for joint operations. Avionics on board fifth-generation Turkish fighter. The advanced avionics suite on board the aircraft will feature multiple displays, graphic interfaces, environmental data systems, digital maps, and high-end interconnectivity devices. Other features, such as voice recognition, high-quality audio systems, and synthetic vision, will also be installed in the smart cockpit. The aircraft will feature an active electronically scanned array, ADSA, radar supplied by ASE-LSAN. The AESA radar in combination with the stealth fuselage will ensure superior stealth capability. The aircraft will feature two engines with a thrust rating of more than 20,000 pounds each. The power plant will enable the fighter jet to fly at a maximum altitude of 55,000 feet. The aircraft will have a maximum speed of Mach 2 and a combat radius of 600 knots.